Hello everyone. Today we're delving into the fundamental AutoCAD Scale command. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced CAD user, understanding how to scale objects accurately is crucial for creating precise drawings. Let's get started. The Scale command in AutoCAD allows you to resize objects according to a specified scale factor. Here's a step-by-step guide. Type Scale and hit Enter to initiate the command. Select the objects you want to scale using methods like window selection or individual clicks. Press Enter. Specify a base point around which your selected objects will be scaled. Click on a point in your drawing. Enter a numeric scale factor, e.g. 2 to double the size, or choose a reference point by typing R and selecting a point in the drawing. Remember these best practices. Double-check your scale factor for accuracy. Pay attention to the base point. It determines the center of the sculling operation. Experiment with the reference option for dynamic scaling based on a specific point. Whether you're working on architectural designs or engineering drawings, mastering the AutoCAD Scale command is a valuable skill. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more AutoCAD tutorials on. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.